Extend the benefits of data management across your business with SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional to manage more engineering documents and enhance collaboration. SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional builds upon the functionality of PDM Standard to provide greater capabilities for CAD and document control by easily handling product data from across the SOLIDWORKS portfolio and other authoring applications. This highly configurable and secure data management system ensures every department within your business can access the latest relevant files, enhancing overall productivity. Multiple workflows allow you to define the revision schemes, approval processes, and discrete security requirements needed to manage the various document types in use in your organization. Configurable file and folder templates auto-assign part numbers and ensure consistency when new design data is being created, while folders can be populated automatically with all the files you need to keep you organized and on top of that mountain of projects. SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional upgrades the workflow automation capabilities so that SOLIDWORKS design information can be published in multiple file formats such as DWG, DXF, STEP, and IGES, and export BOM information to third-party systems such as ERP and build approval routes to suit your team's structure and needs. Over the years, we've developed an exclusive library of add-ins that enhance the out-of-the-box functionality of SOLIDWORKS PDM, helping you to collaborate more efficiently, interface with third-party systems such as ERP and MS SharePoint, and confidently store, control, and share data quickly. When you need to find and reuse design data, SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional search tools quickly find exactly what you're looking for, while users can save common searches, browse, manage, and download data via a web browser with Web 2.0. Businesses across the world trust SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional to secure and manage their CAD data, and as part of the TriMet Group, we support them throughout their product development journey. Watch how SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional helps to eliminate file corruptions, reduce human error, and streamline your design and manufacturing processes in the demonstrations around our website. Or book your own private demonstration to discover how we can help you to reduce costs and maximize your efficiency.